Behind me, what you see is a beautiful educational campus of PK Foundation, an educational hub providing quality education to many students. I welcome you all to explore this beautiful dream of our founder, President, Honorable Mr. Pratap Rao Khandebarat Sir and Secretary, Honorable Mrs. Nandatai Khandebarat. I also take this opportunity to welcome you on behalf of Honorable Principals, all HODs, teachers and students. PK Foundation was established in the year 2009 by Honorable Mr. Pratap Rao Khandebarat, who had a vision and also understood the importance of education to build a better society and a successful nation. The strong foundation was laid on the motto Vidyacha Evam Sarva Siddhi. In the year 2009, PK Foundation started with PK School for Special Children, a school for mentally challenged students, completely free of cost. In 2011, PK Foundation added two more jewels, PK International School, CBSE affiliated, and PK Technical Campus. PK Commerce and Science Junior College followed in the year 2013. Today, we take pride as PK Foundation is one of the prominent and promising names in the field of education. निश्चयाचा महामेरू बहुत जनांसी आधारू, अखंड स्थितीचा निर्धारू, श्रीमंत योगी अशा एक न अनेक पैलूंमुळे छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज एक आदर्श मॅनेजमेंट गुरु तसेच एक उत्तम इंजिनियर ठरतात. छत्रपतींच्या स्वरूपात आदरणीय प्रतापराव खांडेबराट साहेबांनी पीके टेक्निकल कॅम्पसमध्ये शिकणाऱ्या प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्यासमोर आणि भविष्यातील इंजिनियर्स, रिसर्चर्स व बिझनेस करू पाहणाऱ्या सर्वांसमोरच एक आदर्श ठेवलाय. हेन्स, talking about PK Technical Campus, we not only deliver quality education but also focus on the overall well-being of our students. So come, let us explore the beautiful PK Technical Campus.
In this glorious journey of 10 years, PK Technical Campus, with much valued support of more than 5,000 students, have gained momentum of success and achievements in various fields like sports, science and technology. We trust in quality education is the mantra and motto that help PK Technical Campus to rocket sky high in technical education. The quality of education and management has been acknowledged and recognized by All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi, and also by the Government of Maharashtra. PKTC is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University and Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education. Now, recently PK Technical Campus has been accredited by NAAC, that is National Accreditation and Assessment Council.
Currently, PK Technical Campus offers a range of courses like Diploma in Computer Engineering, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor's degree in Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering and Computer Engineering, and also post-graduation in MBA. A team of highly qualified and research-oriented faculty members assured that the students of PK Technical Campus are ready in all ways to be a part of the mainstream industries, which helps them in achieving a better and prospering future.
We at PKTC understand the need to modify the traditional classroom teaching process to something more interesting and practical for the students to understand and learn in a better way. We have adopted the method of teaching by incorporating model-based, project-based, practical teaching and learning process. Here we see a perfect example of it, a model created by our civil engineering students under the professional guidance of our professors.
A library is an important and integral part of any institution, as it is to be considered as an important source of knowledge. PKTC has a library loaded with various kinds of books for diploma, engineering and MBA, including books for competitive examination. In addition to it, PKTC has proudly developed a special library dedicated to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. E-journals are also made available to students through our digital library.
Good laboratories aid in better practical development of students. At PKTC, it is understood that students will only excel if they are provided with high quality and precise resources to not just learn but experience and understand what is taught. The computer lab is an up-to-date section with all latest and high configuration machines and softwares which help our students to keep up with today's world and its trends. Also, a variety of latest equipments are present for the practical enhancement of our civil and mechanical engineering students. PK Technical Campus has kept its laboratories updated, clean and student-friendly.
This workshop at PK Technical Campus is where our students get ready for industry. A practical, hands-on experience works as a booster for students' confidence. Our workshop is well equipped with necessary tools and machines, which helps our students to understand and experience the real technical world and manufacturing processes. It also helps to pump up their skills, knowledge and attitude.
PKTC is well versed with importance of classrooms in students' well-being. Hence, all classrooms designed at PKTC are airy, well-lit and spacious, which provides better learning environment to students.
To strive complete enhancement of an individual, we organize various types of cultural, technical and extracurricular events like sports, elocution, debates and many more. Utsav, our annual gathering, is a cherry on top of all these events.
We are also keen about the better future of our student and the society as well. We regularly organize many social activities like blood donation camps, tree plantation drives, Swachhata Abhiyans, visit to social organization, etc. Providing a secure environment for our students is our prime concern, and also providing students with services like expert lectures, training and grooming sessions, campus drives, walk-ins, higher study cell, entrepreneurship cell and much more. We believe a well-groomed and educated student is a gift to the society. Here is what our students want to say about us.
Hello everyone, I am Aniket Kundaliki HKL. Currently I am working as warranty analyst in Bajaj Auto. I had completed my engineering from PK Technical Campus, and the phase of engineering was quite nourishing for me, which helped me out or encouraged me to stand in this competitive world. So I am really thankful of PK Technical Campus for such nourishment. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी हर्षल जाधव. मी PK टेक्निकल कॅम्पसमधून 2017ला माझं BE सिव्हिल कंप्लीट केलं. कॉलेज चालू असताना व त्यानंतर एक वर्षभर साईट एक्सपिरियन्स घेतला आणि विठाई कन्स्ट्रक्शन अँड डेव्हलपर्स हा व्यवसाय सुरू केला. ही सर्व कामं करत असताना मला कॉलेजच्या सर्व शिक्षकांचे वेळोवेळी मार्गदर्शन लाभत असते.
We thank you for being with us as we took you through our beautiful world of PK Technical Campus, PK Foundation, where quality education resides and dreams of a successful future evolves. Thank you.